Welcome back to the Chrissy B Show, everybody. And now it's time for nutrition advice with Hannah Richards. Welcome back to the show, Hannah.
Hi, Chrissy. How are you?
I'm very well. I'm loving all the smells here right now.
I know. I
smells
can really
delicious and healthy.
Yes.
What are you going to be doing for us today?
Today, I'm going to whip up a metabolic dressing that we're going to have as a shot. So a shot before you eat to stimulate all your digestive enzymes and raise your metabolism.
Okay, wonderful. So let's take it away.
Good. So first of all, we're just going to start with some papaya. And I'm just going to... Papaya is a really great fruit because it's full of enzymes called papain. And papain are enzymes that stimulate your digestion. So it's really good to just have some papaya before you have dinner. Or you could equally have pineapple. So there you go. You can help yourself to some...
See, I would normally... what to eat now?
Yeah,
I thought you were going to put it in the bowl.
No. I'm just going to...
I would normally have this after my meal, so it's quite interesting that you're saying to have it before.
So, you know, sometimes people have gammon steak and it always comes with pineapple. Yeah?
Yeah.
So that's because pineapple has loads of digestive enzymes in it as well, called bromelain. And it's the enzymes that help break down the protein, because protein is sometimes quite hard, it's hard to break down. And so it's always good to have an enzyme to go with it.
It's lovely and sweet and juicy, by the way.
Yeah, and I mean, you don't need to eat a whole load of it. It's just, you know, it's just good to stimulate the juices in the body. Yeah. So this is just some really fresh mint. Can you smell it?
Yes, it smells so nice. I'm really into mint tea lately.
Oh, yeah.
And have a glass of water, like, as you advised, a glass of water on waking up, and I have some mint in it and some lemon.
Brilliant.
Before I have anything else.
Brilliant.
That smells lovely.
Now, the key to a good chopping herbs is a nice flat chopping board and a good sharp knife, and you can then see that it's all getting broken down.
Yeah.
And the more you chop, the more wet the herb becomes, and the easier it is to mix in with the ingredients. So we're just going to pop everything into the bowl here. There we go, that'll do, those bits. Take out the big bits if you haven't quite chopped them down. Then we're gonna use some spring onion. Are you a fan of spring onion?
Yep.
And spring onion is, I think every salad, everything you're making can really do with some good old spring onion. And we're just going to take a really small amount of it again and try and chop it down as much as we can. So what do you use anything at the moment to stimulate digestion at all?
I don't know if this is the right thing.
Yeah.
Now, you're testing me, aren't you, Hannah, to see if I've been listening. I've been having sauerkraut for my gut, so I have a little bit on the side.
That's really good.
With most meals.
Very good.
And I have natural yogurt.
Good. All good for your gut.
Have I passed?
You've passed.
Thank you.
And so all these things here, this is fresh turmeric root. Yeah. Be careful, it stains your fingers. We haven't had it on the show for a while.
Yeah, I remember last time what happened.
But it will stain.
Get it off the floor.
It will, I know. It will stain all surfaces of the kitchen. Yeah. So here, I'm just going to grate a few sheaths of the turmeric like that into the bowl.
Look at that colour, wow.
And you can smell that. And turmeric is really good for your inflammation. It's good for digestive health. It's good for gut health. It's really good for anything. You can't go wrong.
I put some turmeric, powdered turmeric in my smoothie today.
Lovely, good. That's all going to help.
Yeah.
I mean, all these things are sort of like little biohacks, if you like, little nutritional hacks to, you know, keep you healthy and happy. And because we've just changed season at the moment, haven't we? We've just come out of this really dark period, and we've moved into spring. Yeah. Where we feel like there's lots of hope in the world again.
And lots of love in the air.
And lots of love in the air. And so all we're doing is stimulating all our digestive juices to transition into this lovely spring time of year. Lovely. Okay, so all those mints, we've got mint, turmeric, we've got some ginger, we're gonna add a squeeze of lemon. Now a good trick with lemon is just to put your hand over the bowl, and then through the fingers, the hand catches any pips. There we go, there's a couple.
So who needs a lemon squeezer?
Who needs a lemon squeezer?
There you go.
Back to basics, guys. Or you could stick a fork in the middle.
What it looks like so far.
Here we go. They're the pips, see?
There you go.
Hand sieve.
And there's what we have so far in the bowl.
Then we're going to add half a lime.
Oh, so lemon and lime.
Lemon and lime. So lemon and lime are really good for your Liver, really good for your gallbladder.
I keep forgetting to buy limes. I always tend to go straight for the lemons because I'm just used to it, but they do have a different flavour, don't they?
Lemon for salad dressing, lime for gin.
Okay. And what if you don't drink? Where would you use it?
Well, you can just use them equally because they're great. You know, they're sort of fairly similar. They're going to help stimulate digestion and detoxification. Okay. So, what else have we got over there? Now we've got a chili.
Ah.
We good with a chili?
We're good with chilies.
Now, I think that these are really potent Turkish chilies, so we don't want too much of them because they can really fire up.
Okay.
Sometimes garlic and chili can really overpower things as well. If you get too much of one flavour, it can overpower, so you do need to be careful there. Okay, so if you can give me a pinch of black pepper, Chrissy.
Sure.
And if you can give me a twist of salt. Then I'm just going to give a really nice dose of olive oil, good olive oil. And then this is cider apple vinegar. And cider apple vinegar is really great for stimulating those digestive enzymes as well.
We're going to drink this.
We're going to drink this.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Don't worry.
Okay, we're not going to blend it first. I'm scared. It's nice for a salad, definitely for a salad. But okay.
So this can be.
I trust you though.
You trust me.
You.
This is This is definitely a great metabolic. I use this as a metabolic dressing for salads for sure. Now, to make it nice and sweet, we're going to put some honey in it. And remember, honey is really good. It's an antibacterial. It's got loads of good properties in it. Just be careful you do get really great honey because you can get really over-processed honey. So that's the honey in plastic bottles that you can almost see straight through. So this is a good honey because it's crystallized, so you know that it's good. And so it just takes a little bit of extra time to break down. Okay, good. So I'm just going to give it a little taster. Ooh.
Good.
Yum. I'm just going to add one more bit of honey in it and a little bit more vinegar.
Oh, okay.
Trust me. Have you did you do the salt and pepper?
I did.
Okay, maybe a little bit more salt.
Sure. Enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, good. Now, you could re-blend this up and you could let this sort of marinate for a little bit to put over a digestive, over a dressing. But anything you put this on, whether you decided to put this on cooked chicken or cooked fish.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Or just a really nice salad, a summer salad with pomegranates and all those kind of things. It's really going to work well. So, I know you're going to be a bit brave while you try this, Chrissy, but let's give it a shot. It is a bit thick.
We're drinking a salad dressing, but no, it's a tincture. We'll just call it
yeah, it's like a little tincture. It's a digestive health tincture. So I'm gonna, there you go.
Okay. Are you guys getting this? Would you like a close-up of this? There we go.
And it's going to really stimulate all the juices in your body to help you break down the food. So, it's like, have you ever tried cider apple vinegar in the morning?
I do have that with
it's similar.
Sometimes. This has got like
lots of other extra.
You drink first.
Extra potent stuff in it. Okay, here we go. Cheers.
Cheers. I can't wait for you to take it first.
Yum.
That is very nice. That is delicious.
Do I ever make you anything horrible, Chrissy?
I do still feel like I'm drinking it, but mind you, I do drink the juice from my salad.
But then you've got the crunch of the ginger, crunch of the turmeric.
Amazing on a salad and on fish and chicken like
I'm going to actually have some more.
Oh, it's very nice. Guys,
very nice.
Really worth doing this because it's absolutely delicious. You can just put it everywhere.
You can put it everywhere.
Thank you so much,
be a face
Hannah.
mask.
Yes, we'll do that next time. Thank you so much, Hannah, my darling.
Pleasure.
We'll see you again very soon.
Definitely.
And guys, if you want more information about Hannah, just head over to our website, chrissybshow.tv, and you can scroll down and find all of her information there.